Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. Hey guys, do you Grove? I do. And do you know what Grove is? Well, I'll tell you all about it here in just a minute. But right now, I want to welcome all my subscriber friends, and if you're new here, I want to ask you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and you'll know all my videos. We do all kinds of videos here, and this one is just one of them. This is I guess you'd say like a eco-friendly shopping experience. If you want to have items in your home that is eco-friendly, vegan-friendly, and environmentally friendly, then you want to find out about Grove. And it has it made out to me. It says, Vicky, it says, you're a force of nature. And I don't know about that, but I will just have to say I do like to Grove. Now, Grove is a subscription service that you can pick out your own items. So each month, your cost may be more or less based on your needs. And if you don't need anything, you don't have to order. You can put your order on hold. I will tell you there is a VIP service, which I'm a part of, and you get free shipping. It's $19.99 a year and free shipping. They do charge you $4.95 without the VIP, and you can get your order shipped for $4.95. There is a $2.99 handling fee, and when you are a VIP, you get a lot of perks. Besides the free shipping, you get free gifts all during the year, free gifts for your birthday, just all kinds of things. And of course, you can get free samples. Now, free samples can probably go to anybody because they do have a section. You can put in their search for free samples, and you can pick out several free samples when they have them available. So there are perks. And I'm not sure if I've got a free gift in this box or not. Now, my first product is the Method Anti-Bac Toilet, and I really like this. It's blue when you put it in there, like most toilet cleaners, and it's natural, and that's probably the thing I like the most about it. It does have a spearmint scent to it, so they use natural essential oils in it. It kills 99% of the household germs. It cleans and disinfects. So if you are into going green, then I would say you would like the Grove. And again, you can order as much as you want. Now, each month they will send you an email that your cart is ready, and you need to go check out your cart because they may have everything you've ever ordered in your cart, and you may not need all those items because we all use them differently. This here is disinfectant that I use all the time. This is the 7th generation. It kills 99.99% of household germs, and it's a no rinse required. It's a botanical disinfectant, and this one here is lavender, vanilla, and thyme scent. And then I also have the same thing, but in this one I have the botanicals of eucalyptus, spearmint, and thyme scent. So you do have options, and I think they have a citrus one. So there's several options for the air refreshener and or disinfectant. So it's a combination. It'll clean the air, but it'll also disinfect things. So I really like it. My next item I have here is some Hello Activated Charcoal Toothpaste. As you can see, it has with fresh mint and coconut oil. It's epic whitening, and it's fluoride toothpaste. So you get a little bit of noticeably whiter teeth, prevents cavities, safe for enamel, awesome fresh breath. And this is my favorite go-to toothpaste. It's black. So when you're brushing your teeth, it's a little messy as far as, brushing your teeth and spitting it out. You see black. If you got a white sink, that's for sure. But it's good. It's effective. Now, this is the Method laundry detergent, and you get 66 loads. You just need one cap full. It is beach sage. It's a scent that I have. This here is HE compatible with your washing machine, and it is powerful for stains, brightening colors, and it's fragrance that lasts. And I really like the beach sage scent, and I also get their fabric softener by Method, and this runs about, I want to say, around $14. And like I said, I'll put that up in the screen. They have sales, so sometimes you can get it for less. Now, my free item, I will tell you, when you're shopping, up at the top of your shopping cart, it'll have 3 items up there that are free. And depending on how much you spent, and they've got one for $30 or $35, $55, and I think $60 or $70. And there's different gifts. And this time, my gift, I chose the Grove times Drew Barrymore. Obviously, I didn't know that, but this must be her co-design with them, is the reusable dishcloths. These are like Swiss dishcloths, and I love them. And I have switched over. I don't even use any other kind of washcloth or sponge. And it is kind of spongy. Like once this gets wet, it will just be real pliable. It soaks up everything like a sponge. It's excellent. And you can see she has her name, Drew, on there. So she is the designer of these particular little washcloths. And they're called cleaning cloths, reusable dish and cleaning cloths. I will tell you, you can also wash them in the washing machine and use them again. They're very handy. They last a long time. So that is my Grove. It's not a huge order, and it doesn't have to be. So that's my Grove. What do you think? Do you have a favorite item? Would you consider Grove? All I can tell you is I would highly recommend it. And in my description, there is going to be a free link where you can get a free, I guess, cleaning kit or a free starter kit with a purchase. They have recently added that on there, and I did not know that till about a month or 2 ago, when one of my subscribers said, hey, I had to buy something besides shipping to get the free product. So I contacted them, and they did tell me that there is a threshold, and it will tell you on there. It may be $25, might be $30, but with your order of $25 or more, let's say, you would get a free kit. And the free kit is usually valued around $40 or more. But again, that is Grove. They give that to you with your purchase. So it is free. It is just free with a purchase. And I just want to clarify that and make sure that everybody knows that we're all on the same page. But that is my Grove. I'm going to enjoy using all my products. I can tell you I have been using Grove for over 3 years now, and I love it. I love the convenience because I don't have to lug around heavy cleaning supplies from the car from the grocery store to the car, or from car to home, and then put up. I can just take it out of my box. It's right here, and I go put it right in my laundry room. So it is easy peasy. I will tell you, the shipping is fast. I usually get my box within 2 days of my order. And again, if you're not ready for anything, then you can postpone your order, and you can still be a VIP and get your free shipping. So that is all I have for Grove today. Be sure and check my descriptions. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.